What's up everybody? Welcome back to my channel. This is not a video I expected to be making so quickly. I've seen a million videos where people are like, thank you for 10 million subscribers, thank you for 1 million, I can't believe it. And I'm doing it for 300. I know that sounds silly, I know it sounds weird, but you guys have really inspired me. I can't believe the outpouring of support. Super humbling, and at points when I didn't think that I wanted to continue, you guys have pushed me along and really inspired me to do more. You might hear a little difference in my voice right now. I'm kind of getting over a little bit of a cold. And that's why I haven't been filming a lot. My voice has been kind of sketchy. I also went on vacation for a bit, but I'm back in the saddle now, so expect more videos. And I wanted to do something a little different. So what we're going to do in this video is a little studio tour. I don't have a studio per se, but I just have a cool little office that I built myself. So I figured I'd show you guys around. Let's check it out. So welcome to my office. I've got everything all cleaned up and neat here, but basically I've got 3 monitors, a widescreen curved in the middle, and 2 regular 23-inch screens. I even got some Philips Hue RGB that I don't really use that often other than solid colors. On the desk I have a Kensington trackball, a G413 carbon keyboard by Logitech, some lighting overhead for when I'm shooting my videos controlled by these remote controls. This is how you're used to seeing me film. And the way I do it is I have a tripod cord that I pull the legs off of mounted to the ceiling. Got my camera at the bottom of it, mic by Yeti, some cheap lighting that I got off of Amazon on the rafters. The camera itself is it's a Canon EOS M200. That's very okay. My wife lets me borrow it. It's actually hers. And I've got some cheap Amazon lighting on the ceiling. I got a USB powered light connected to an inverter at the base of this bulb here that lets me leech power, and the same light on the other side, all of which was about $100. Some other random gear I play with. I've got a VHF, UHF, and HF ham radio for you fellow nerds out there, as well as some walkie-talkies I play with. My island of misfit toy computers here. I got a compact tablet that barely works, the salvaged computer that my father-in-law got from the dump, a 2015 MacBook Pro, and a 2019 MacBook Pro that I do my editing on. Connecting it all together, I have this Elisif docking station. It's pretty good. It's not the greatest thing in the world, but it's super cheap. It's got an M.2 port on the top here, so I can connect any M.2s that I don't have currently. Tons of connectivity, including a Cat5 connection and 3 HDMI. Allows me to connect everything I need to get the job done. Now I know that wasn't the most epic of walkthroughs. I didn't go into tons of detail. I will have a link to most of the items in the video description below. If you have any questions, feel free to hit me in the comments. But the real purpose of this video is to simply say thank you. I look forward to getting to 1,000 subscribers as quickly as I can to help this channel grow and maybe upgrade some of the equipment. So please subscribe if you haven't already. I also want to take another second to thank Paul from Payroll for this awesome background music. Check out that link down below. Thank you so much for all the support thus far. I look forward to growing the channel even further, and catch you in the next video. Peace.